Welcome back guys to a new video, and today I'll be showing you how to install the iOS 16 beta 1. So this is the latest version of the iOS 16 so far. This is a public beta from Apple themselves, so it is completely safe. And if you don't like the iOS 16 or it doesn't support your device, don't worry, you can always go back to iOS 15 anytime. So you back up your phone first. Make sure to back up your phone first using either iTunes or any other method you wish. So I've already backed up my phone, so I'll install this profile downloaded. Once it is downloaded, read the steps on how to install your iOS 16, then go to settings and click on profile downloaded, then iOS 16 beta, enter to install it, enter your password to install it, hit install. Restart your phone before applying the changes. So head over to general, then software update, and this is like a normal update right now, normal Apple update. You see iOS 16 beta 1 is right here, and go ahead and install it. See guys, and here it is, iOS 16 beta.